Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn single character input. All right, now let's just start a file name, file single car .scala. Okay, so I'm in the my input mode. Okay, as usual, object single car input. Okay, I'm going to quickly type program because we have been seeing these kind of programs many times, so I will be relatively quiet when I'm typing the program. Okay, now my body, I would just prompt some message, enter a character, right? So I need to read that. And then I'm going to say, actually, let me do enter a character followed by return key. So what we're going to do is we'll take only like 4 characters. Okay, well, and how do I limit that? That's our predefined constant there. That was not required, and I can initialize this with this one, empty character. I'm going to create some buffer here, new array of character, and in that array I'm creating new array, which is my buffer total. So I'm creating an array that can contain 4 characters. Okay, so I didn't have more space than that. So I'm doing that. Why I'm doing that? If you're doing pretty much like embedded programming or for small devices that have a limited memory or storage, then this is going to be an important issue. Like if you have a very powerful laptop that has terabytes of storage, lots of memory, like 64 gigabytes of memory or 30 gigabytes, you really usually don't have to worry about it, right? But if you're programming for very small devices, like you have a small digital camera or maybe some sort of players, or any kind of relatively less powerful smartphone, but the smartphone these days have a lot of memory, pretty much like they're pretty much like a laptop. So these days it's not a problem. But the origin of initially, even the smartphones had limited memory. So, but it's very likely that we'll encounter with electronic devices that have very limited memory and very limited storage. So in that case, we have to do character by character handling, and each of the total memory required, even processing power, which obviously is not within the scope of this particular session. But all those things have to be taken into account. Okay, so my loop counting variable over here. Okay, and I'm going to use while. Okay, let's just see while. I could use for, but let's just use while. Okay, I is less than total available cars. Okay, and my while closes over there. And what do I write? I have to get input. Okay, that's which is a variable, so I can do a lot of reassignment. Scala IO stdin read car, like read int, read car, right? And input. Okay, that's how I do array assignment in Scala. Instead of square bracket, like in programming language like Java, they have a square bracket. Here I have that's a parenthesis, input car, and I need to, since it's a while loop, I need to increase my I think I don't need this line. And once I'm done inputting the stuff, what I can do is input buffer, maybe for just for clarity. Okay, the buffer for each. See, the good thing about it is for that array I can just run a for each loop. Okay, for each character in that input of buffer I can just print. Okay, I'm going to save it, quit it, and actually I'll just run it in without compiling. I'll just do it interpreter and see if there are any errors. Okay, we'll fix them along the way. Oh, yes, there is one. There is. It doesn't say what line number, but we'll find that out. Okay, it's in the assignment and input buffer I. Okay, where is that input buffer I? Over here. And what went wrong? Can you figure it out? There is. I can see that it is not the exact name, right? I have that name over here, right? This name over here. That's with same name. Okay, we're going to do that. Now we are interpreting. Okay, I'm saying B H I M, 4 characters. Okay, it actually printed that beam over here. Because this is, since this is my Mac, I have another name there, so that was not very clear, right? Let's do one thing. We say this one, SMIT, but it's not going to take H SMIT, right? Now we see that's all right. That pretty much sums up single character input. In the next video, we are going to see single character output.